Alright, so we are going to discuss in this video some new terms here. So you've had a little bit of taste of physics using velocity, okay? And up to this point, velocity and speed, okay, have been kind of interchangeable. But now we're going to spend some time and primarily focus on what velocity is through some other means. Okay, so two new words that you need to know. One is scalar. Okay, and what a scalar is that it's a quantity fully describing by a number. It's a quantity fully described by a number, okay? Followed by vector, which a vector is a quantity described by a number and direction. Okay, number and a direction. So a scalar only has a number. A vector has a number with a direction. So here are some quantities that are vectors, both vectors and scalars. So vector and scalar quantities. Okay. First one, distance is one. Displacement, which is a new word for you, and we're going to talk about that here shortly. Speed, velocity, and last, acceleration. Okay, so let's spend some time here discussing what or determining the difference between a vector and a scalar. So I'm going to give you some measurements, and I just want you to practice here. Let's start with this. Number one, 5 meters. Number two, 30. Let's do this. 30 meters per second east. Number three, 5 miles north. Number four, 20 degrees Celsius. Number five, 256 bytes. That's a way to measure memory on a computer. 6 is 4,000 calories. Okay, now just spend a moment right now and determine whether or not these are vectors or scalars. Okay, remember, a vector is just a number, where a scalar is just a number, where a vector has a number with a direction. All right, well, let's go over these now. Number 1, 5 meters. This is only a number. This does not have a direction like 5 meters to the right or 5 meters north or 5 meters southeast. It doesn't have a direction. So this here is a plain scalar. Okay. Number 2, 30 meters per second east. East direction automatically. Number, numerical, east direction. This is a vector. 5 miles north. 5 miles north. North is a direction. 5 miles. Number, direction. Again, a vector. Next up, 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, 20 degrees Celsius. This does not have a direction. Celsius is not a direction. It's a unit of measurement for temperature. So this is a scalar. 256 bytes. Again, bytes, not a direction. So this is a scalar. And number 6, 4,000 calories. Calories is not a direction. So again, this is a scalar. Okay, so there's the difference between vectors and scalars. Okay, vectors have a number followed by a direction, and scalars are just a number, like 4,000 calories. Okay, that's just a number. There's no direction involved there.